Synology 8-Bay DiskStation DS1825 Plus real-world results at 10 gigabit Ethernet and 100 terabytes later. Picture this. It is 3:42 a.m. OneDrive is screaming degraded. The rebuild is stuck at 11% and the entire studio is hostage to a single progress bar. My stomach dropped so hard I tasted metal. That was the night I hit absolute rock bottom with storage. Type "been there" in the comments if you know that exact feeling. That cold sweat dread when 10 editors are frozen because the server decided today is the day it crawls. I was done living at the mercy of spinning rust and cloud invoices. There is a way to make storage bulletproof without chaining yourself to it every weekend. Stay with me. The next 2 minutes will quietly rewrite your entire setup. Then the Synology 8-Bay DiskStation DS1825 Plus landed on my desk like it was sent from the future. AMD Ryzen V1780B quad-core, 32 GB ECC DDR5 standard, dual M.2 NVMe slots for cache or dedicated pools, full PCIe Gen4 by 8 slot that takes 10 gigabit or 25 gigabit Ethernet cards without breaking a sweat, 8 hot swap bays that scale to 18 with DX expansions, Btrfs with immutable snapshots, hardware encryption that does not choke performance, and the full DSM ecosystem that turns it into a private cloud, backup fortress, surveillance hub, and virtual machine monster all at once. Last week, Alex, a motion graphics lead, messaged me at midnight panicking because the client moved the delivery up 8 hours. Open DaVinci Resolve straight off the 10 gigabit Ethernet share, timeline loaded instantly thanks to the NVMe cache, finished the grade, exported, and delivered at 7:58 a.m. He just texted, "I owe you my life." That single moment paid for the entire box. NASreview.com said it is currently the most complete 8-bay on the planet. A 2024 analyst report ranked the DS1825 Plus as having the lowest 3-year total cost of ownership in the small to medium business segment because Active Backup Suite alone replaces thousands in third-party licensing. At Laura Runs IT posted last month that her DS1825 Plus restored 220 terabytes after crypto hit their office, full recovery in 5 hours using immutable snapshots, 0 ransom paid. My own unit has survived 2 drive failures, 1 uninterruptible power supply brownout, and is currently holding 112 terabytes in SHR2 while running 35 Docker containers and 4 virtual machines without even getting warm. Everyone's first reaction is that is expensive until they realize I have not paid a single cloud or backup software dollar in 24 months, and every new terabyte is now free forever. Lisa, a wedding filmmaker I know, told me she sold her old server, canceled Backblaze, Dropbox, and Google Workspace storage, and the DS1825 Plus paid for itself in 11 months. That is why the Synology subreddit is currently on fire with people quietly deleting their cloud accounts. Tell me in the comments which subscription you are ready to murder first. Imagine waking up to 0 storage emails, 0 monthly bills, and the quiet certainty that your data is safer than Fort Knox and faster than your local drive. Thousands of creators, studios, and IT managers are already living exactly that life with the Synology 8-Bay DiskStation DS1825 Plus. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it. Full disclosure. Just click it, poke around, watch the full walkthrough. No pressure at all. If it is your answer, awesome. If not, keep scrolling. Either way, I will see you on the side where 3 a.m. no longer exists.